The ICMR's population-based Sero survey has found that about one-third of the country's population in various containment zones and hotspots may have already been infected with coronavirus and may have also recovered. The report that's yet to be published states that between 15 to 30% of the population has been exposed to the infection within containment zones and hotspots. These findings have been presently shared with the Union Cabinet Secretary and the PMO. 50 NDRF personnel who took part in relief work in Bengal after Super Cyclone Amphan hit the state have tested positive for coronavirus. They are among the 177 NDRF personnel who had recently returned after Cyclone Amphan relief and rescue operations in West Bengal. All of them were put in quarantine. The Karnataka government has revised its guidelines for people visiting from Maharashtra. The government has stated that if a person from Maharashtra has a negative COVID test result in the last 2 days, they can be exempted from institutional quarantine and will be allowed to avail 14 days of home quarantine instead. Opposition parties in Tamil Nadu have called for a statewide protest tomorrow, demanding that Class 10 exams be put on hold to ensure social distancing is maintained. Opposition party leaders will protest outside their homes. The Tamil Nadu government had announced that Class 10 exams will be held on June 15th in the state, but the Madras High Court is hearing the issue now and has adjourned the case to June 11th. 412 fresh cases of coronavirus have been reported in the last 24 hours in Uttar Pradesh. The number of cases in the state is now inching towards the 11,000 mark. In fact, 59 cases of COVID-19 have been reported in Noida district in the last 24 hours, mounting the district total to 699.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.